creepy as fuck.
Eat my breath. Dude, let's make that a game. Okay, what you gotta do is you gotta breathe back in your breath. Come on. Oh, it hurts. See? Okay, I shaved this part, not that part.
You missed some spots.
I'm sorry that I'm not perfect.
Oh.
Hey, I'm a snake. I'ma smell you. I smelled your hair.
What if your neighbor was like still there watching us?
That'd be normal. They watch us while we eat dinner.
The fuck?
The hell yeah.
Ooh, can you see the dipper?
Oh, it's too cloudy tonight.
Oh.
See, look, there's a cloud. You see all those clouds?
Look at my face.
Megan!
It's too cold outside.
Baby, it's cold.
For your face. I like how you don't keep this locked.
We do.
No, you don't. I think one of them fell off.
That was because Brandy was doing something.
We did that.
I caught you.